Hello everyone, pardon my appearance. I just left the gym. However, I just had this thought cross my mind and I wanted to get on and share this message with you all. My name's Leah Boston. I'm an estate planning attorney and owner of Law Office of Leah Boston LLC. I draft will documents, trusts, and I discuss long-term life care planning with clients who contact my office wanting their estate planning done. This week, I got a lot of calls in regards to probate issues, but particularly the main theme was we should have did this earlier, didn't see this coming. It just seemed like, it felt like we had time. I didn't really, think too much about this type of thing, but now that I'm in it, this is just so much that we could have avoided. This process could have been just so much easier had we just done it. The common theme, of course, is you never know what's going to happen. You don't know what life is going to throw at you. The same way that we prepare when hurricanes come, if you're in particular regions of the United States, or the same way we prepare for storms, etc., should be the same way that we prepare for our life. You're not going to go into an interview without at least having practiced a couple of interview questions. You're not going to sit down for a test without, or ideally you wouldn't, sit down for a test without having done the proper preparation. I say all that to say, estate planning is so important, and we don't really think that it's important until something catastrophic has happened or until it's too late and now we have to go through the court system. So now we have to go through the administration process, the probate process, the attorney's fees process, and everything that comes with it. And the issue that I see when clients call me, it's just like I said, the same running theme is we had plans to do this, but we just never got around to doing it, or we should have did this earlier, or I didn't even think that something like this could happen. You never know what may happen, but that's why it's always your due diligence to yourself, but also to the ones that you love, to research and ask questions. Look up what estate planning is. Ask questions about what estate planning is. Google certain terms, because we are all going to be affected by death at some point in time, but additionally, some of us may be affected by incapacity. So, not to be like a Debbie Downer or anything, but it's just like estate planning really is prevention planning, and this is just what I like to call the highest form, or one of the highest forms of love that you can show for yourself and also others around you, to plan things like this. That way, if something unfortunate happens, there's at least a set of directions, or there's something that you can point to, or something that makes the process, this already horrific process, a lot easier. So just want to get on and keep promoting and championing for people to really recognize that this area of law is very important, because at some point in time, death is going to affect us, and in some cases, illness may affect us. God willing, we can push it for as long as we can, but it's really important to talk to someone, and if you have questions, ask. There's lots of people that are here and willing to answer your questions, and if you have any questions particularly for me, about my law office, what I do, or if you have any questions about the estate planning process, be sure to contact my office at www.leahbostonlaw.com, or just leave a comment. I'm happy to respond on any of my platforms as well. Have a great day and happy Memorial Day weekend.